Welcome to the Redmi UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just click here to open the app, tap enabling settings, and here near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, tap to OK, again to OK, and go back. Then click here to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, and let's go, for example, to the Google search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone as all of our emojis here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.